Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the newly redesigned 2021 Ford F-150 in an XLT trim and powered by a 5-liter V8 engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing. Also coming with running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in. But let's take a look inside. First, looking at the back seat, where you have spacious seating for 3 that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo. And then in the middle, you have 2 fold-out cup holders with a USB, USB-C, and 12-volt power outlet. And this truck does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And then looking into the front, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Now sitting in the truck with it running and looking at your steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your hands-free or your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at your digital speedometer. You have your trip info, your driver assistance features and settings, your fuel economy, eco coach with a speedometer as well, and then your comm screen. Can also kind of go in and customize your screens displayed, as well as look at your maintenance info and other information. But then moving on to the left, where you have your cruise controls with your lane keeping system and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. And then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, your navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost on your travels, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle, and your general truck features such as driver assistance, towing, and owner's manual. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything, with dynamic hitch view, so you can zoom in and have an easier time hooking up a trailer or something of the sort. Then above that, you have your auto start stop shut off, your camera view again, your hazards, and your traction control shut off. And moving down, you have your media controls and then your climate controls. Very simple, easy to use. To the left of that, you have your Pro Trailer backup controller, trailer brake controller, and 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential, and your drive mode selector here for normal, slippery, deep snow, sand, mud, ruts. And then on the opposite end, you have tow haul, eco, and sport mode, so you can customize your driving experience quite a bit there. Then moving on to the right, we have a 12-volt with a USB and USB-C, and then this button up here opening the compartment above your glove box for more storage. And moving down from your climate controls, you have another 12 volts with a USB and USB-C, as well as a shelf where you can put your device while it's charging or something of the sort. And then looking at your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears. And then moving on to your center console area, where you have 2 cup holders, as well as your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious. But then this does lift up and out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck. Then underneath that, you even have another lockable compartment for even more storage. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now, if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.